Hello my people, we are introducing to you another Obongo product from 𝗓𝗏𝗄 Appliances Nigeria Limited, the 9500 watts 𝗓𝗏𝗄 industrial blender. The core of this blender is 100% copper, the rotor is 100% copper, and the starter is also 100% copper. The motor of this blender is top notch. It is patented to 𝗓𝗏𝗄 industrial blender alone. You cannot get it anywhere. You can go and verify. The durability of this product is out of this world. The ruggedity is top notch. What a blender. You can also use this blender for your smoothies, your tiger nut, your coconut, your groundnut, maize, pepper, bambala nut, name them. With this same blender. And also, there's a discount on this product. In fact, the discount is incredible. There's also option for payment on delivery. 1 year warranty. Yes, you heard me right. 1 year warranty. The 9500 watts 𝗓𝗏𝗄 industrial blender. We also deliver nationwide. The product is equipped with overheat and overload protection that makes it different from every other blender out there. The smoking is over, packing up of blender is over with our product. You can test strong before you pay. Thank you very much.